lot of more money off this broker to be able to afford to cut out all our dead trees. That's what it needs to do. Right there.
Pearl, back up, Pearl.
I'm on the other side of the car.
Watch out for that. He's really close.
He's over here.
You little guys want to be seen. Mama says you sit here.
Come on.
A little bit more.
Go with Aunt Kathy.
You got it. Just a little bit more. I'm surprised a raccoon didn't come out of that. Start swinging it.
Yeah.
I think it's on there with just nothing. I mean, just it's only a flap of bark on the top flip.
Oh, there's a little piece ready to go.
And this second tree over here, that's not involved with this one, is holding that tree so it won't move. We'll go up. It's close. You're close.
Oh, a lot more just ripped off.
Yeah. 4 more pulls. She's coming down.
You know, if you just leave it, it may come down by itself.
Don't be up under that. Whoa.
Did the rope come off?
Well, when I let go, it swung up under there. One, two.
Get out! Jesus. They ran to the sides.
They scattered.
It's down.
Look at them.
Yeah, I gotta get this part.
The whole branch broke up.
Come and pose in front of your trophy. They look like they just won the Olympics or something.
Got the whole tree.
Well, half of the tree is gone.
Look, Grandma is so happy. Look at her smile.
She's just glad it's over.
And nobody got hurt. She
Go
killed
right in. The door's open.
about 4 hostages got killed.
You.
But what's 4 among millions?
Seriously, right?
Get